Is this you trying to get some sleep, covering your ears while your husband is snoring as loud as he can? Would you like to have some sleep like this, having some dream time and waking up in the morning fresh and ready to go? Hi, Rudy Silva, natural nutritionist. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can stop your snoring or your partner snoring so you can get some decent sleep. So let's go do it. Do you get irritated when trying to sleep, but you can't because you're hearing your husband or your wife snore? Are you the one that is snoring? When you snore, you irritate and frustrate people around you. You keep your partner awake. Snoring is caused by the loose tissue in the back of your throat, which relaxes and vibrates during your sleep. In severe cases, snoring may be sleep apnea. Sleep apnea occurs when the loose throat tissue blocks your airways and you stop breathing for 10 to 60 seconds. Up to 3,000 people are suffocated from sleep apnea. In addition to this condition, it can contribute to high blood pressure, heart attack, and stroke. Doctors want to give you drugs for sleep apnea, but they have side effects, and some of these side effects are keeping you awake. So, here are some remedies that can help you with your snoring. Spray your nose with a little salt water, and this will make your breathing easier. Here's what to do. Add 1/3 to 1/2 tablespoon of salt in 8 ounces of water. Then, put the solution in a nasal aspirator. Hold your nose straight back and snort the water. Spit out the extra water and blow your nose to clear the water. Here's some other tips that you can use. Diet. Snoring is typically caused by being overweight, so start a diet where you lose some weight. There are many books that you can use to help you lose weight. In your bed, use a low pillow, keep your neck straight, and reduce throat obstructions. To sleep on your back, don't use a pillow so that you can lie flat on your back. Raise the top of your bed with wood or bricks to make your upper body higher than your lower body. If you smoke, stop smoking. If you drink alcohol, stop drinking. And try using melatonin for better sleep, using 4 to 6 milligrams each night. Now, if all of this doesn't work, then talk to your doctor about a soft plastic mouthpiece which widens your throat for more air when you sleep. And if this doesn't work, then try this natural snoring homeopathic medicine called Snoring Is. It's worth a try since it's natural and has no side effects. It may even give your partner some sleep. Yes, sleep snore. Yes, it's a funny name, but it does something very serious. Snore Zip is not a pill, masks, or other devices that has to be worn or used. It's an all-natural homeopathic oral spray designed to help alleviate the symptoms that may be causing you to snore, so you and your partner can get the benefit that comes with getting a better sleep quality. Can you appreciate these benefits from Snoring Is? You will get increased oxygen flow, the breakup of mucus, and get a most restful sleep for the night. Head over to this site to get a better sleep and make your partner happy. Click on the link below of this video. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Sign up for my channel to see more health videos, make more comments below, and for sure, I would appreciate any likes that you make.